how you can find your friends Snapchat location. Now this is very easy guys, so before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to like our video, and also don't forget to check out more of our tutorial videos. And if you find those videos useful, don't forget to share it with your friends too. Now let's just start with the video. First, what you might want to do is you might want to open your Snapchat. Now with this technique, you will only be able to see the location of your friends who have enabled their location, who are not in their ghost modes. Uh, Now this feature is also available to you. You can either turn on your visibility or you can turn it off too. Now what you need to do is you need to click on the bottom left that says maps. Now here you will be able to see all the people that you have added and the locations. Now since I don't have any people with any friends that have enabled their locations right now, there are none with me here, but there will be for you, so you will be able to see them around here. So that is how you find your friends or Snapchat map. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.